Keith Decker.
And I'm Daniel Kirkner. On this installment of Start to Finish, we will be demonstrating the Illuminator by Cumberland products. This material is designed to take the factory yellowed or dingy headlights and replace it with a brand new coating. In a few simple procedures, you'll be able to get your headlights sparkling like new.
In your kit, we're going to be starting with a sanding and cleaning solution, a final wipe, and a UV cured headlight restoration coating. We're going to start with 800 grit paper, moving up to 1500, and today we're going to recoat using a SATA mini jet. So let's make this happen. Okay. Using our sanding and cleaning solution, we're going to get started with 800 grit. An important thing to remember is to remove all of the original coating. Failure to do that will result in a cloudy effect. Keep checking it to see where we are at. You can notice the old coating is still in place, so we'll keep sanding. So after a few short minutes, we've effectively removed the original coating. We're now going to go back over it with 1500 grit to reduce the scratch and give a nice flat surface. But now that our headlights are sanded and ready to go, we're going to do a final wipe with an alcohol solution, which is going to eliminate the static from the plastic and help to evaporate any of the sanding solution that might be left in any of the scratch. And we're ready to paint.
Okay, now that the headlight is clean and ready to go, we are going to apply our rejuvenation solution, and we're going to do 2 medium light coats, essentially back to back. And there we have it. Brand new headlight and looks beautiful. So that's the Illuminator by Cumberland Products. If you have any questions, please feel free to call one of our 4 stores or ask your salesman for additional information. And once again, thank you for watching us and liking us on Facebook.